Ka Central Puja Committee nek sngi kala khot langi kinongilam jungkiniam baper hashwa ban sedang ya ka puja. Haga nek sngi kala don gejinga duai kerpang bat lawan ban sak hilang ru da ulat ke jela HIV TB Shankar u menteri ke sarkar jela ba sanbor sulai bat kiwei. Haba keren haga nek sngi na kaleng ulat ke jela HIV TB Shankar ula kyntu ya kinongilam niam ban train na ka benta ka imlang ka salang bat ban pej ya ke jinge ka ba samla jong ka ne ka juk ya kandu. Ula ong ki samla ki sakta ha ka jingdi ka pasniu kum hau drok uba menta ula pur stet pha bat kta ya ki babun. Ula ong ru ba ka jela ki sakta ha ka jingpang HIV ka jingpang TB bat kum juru ha ka jingpang kansa. Nagaleng ulat ula kyntu kinongilam niam ban pai kmat lem bat ban yakren pun sngau tu ya ki bahayeng hasam bat kum juru ya kini ki samla ki bayo ya kini ki jingpang.
I'll read out the first two lines and I request our Honorable Governor and the religious heads and all present here to actually, I'm really blessed and honored that the honors has been permitted by Honorable Governor to myself, so I'll have to go by his bidding. A prayer for harmony. God, our Creator and the giver of all good gifts, help us to understand the deeper meaning of harmony. We learnt early in life that harmony begins not with easy friendship with those we share mutual affinities with, but more with those who do not see eye to eye with, those with whom the relation has to be worked out, often with pain and effort, because we cannot understand why they think differently from us. Help us to work through difficult relationships so that they become the full and rewarding experiences they are meant to be. Bless our efforts as we strive towards that seemingly difficult process and awaken into a newfound freedom, such as the kind that you envisage for each human person here. We dedicate this special session into your loving